talking here with Jeroen Morrenhof from Friss, Insuretech, very exciting technology. Jeroen, congratulations with the prize. What does your platform actually do?
So we offer a platform for insurance companies, and we do three things actually. That's fraud, risk and compliance. That's in our name as well. So we offer a platform that allows insurance companies to detect and fight fraud in claims, to assess the risks at underwriting, and to make sure that they be and stay compliant. So be able to make sure that they're not participating in any anti-money laundering or stuff like that.
Okay, and that platform, and you gave us an example. There were 22 people working together to scheme to basically get damages for I think for cars or something. And they're working together, and because there were multiple companies using your platform, you were able to detect that fraud. How does that work?
Yeah, so we offer our platform for enterprise single insurance companies, but in several countries we have a fraud pool set up, and in the fraud pool, insurance companies share data. In this specific case, was prosecuted last year, and that's why I told about. That's what I told about in the presentation I just gave. There were 22 people convicted for setting up a fraud ring. So they worked with multiple insurers, with multiple cars, with multiple people involved, with multiple, and they used rental companies, cash settlements in order to a scheme that went pretty big in losses. Typically, it's, with fraud, it starts very small. Hey, it works. This is easy, and via friends and friends, the scheme professionalizes, and also the volume, the size is getting bigger and bigger. Yeah.
You found it. It was really interesting to see your network software on the all the finding all the schemes and putting in the fraud. How big is your company now?
So yeah, you can determine size of a company in different ways, but
sales and people.
Yeah, so we are expected to do about 10 million in revenue this year, and to grow the company, which is now 85 people, to 100 at the end of this year.
Yeah, and you as a startup, a fintech startup, are extremely old.
Yeah, you might say. So we've the thing is that we've been bootstrapping this. So we've been under the radar for at least the first 4 or 5 years. Not really under the radar, but we had 3-4 customers, and so we actually scaled the last 4 or 5 years really big. From
so you're 10 years old.
We are 10 years old, but
you don't have to be ashamed of it.
Even bigger and more successful companies that stayed longer under the radar and are bigger than us after 20-25 years. So we believe exponential growth. We will be huge in 10 years from now.
Insuretech is really important because that industry needs to be changed. Congratulations with the prize. Make us proud. FinTech 2007 winner of Insuretech.